We are pleased to show you the 2025 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, privacy glass, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.